Nag-ayos ako ng aking mga tanim. Look. Oh, they are beautiful. Look at this one. From the gate. From here. Then, like that. Then, like that. Then, my orchids. Wala pang bulaklak. So, but this is my... I have a flower here. Look. This is lakatan banana. Wala pang puso. So, that is my, inarrange ko ng maayos. Look. Look. And look at the, I arrange. What do you call this? Nilandscape ko. Look. Nilandscape ko ang harap. So, this is really beautiful. This is the guava na may bunga pero buko pa. Ayan pa, buko pa lang. Pero ito, bulok na. So, ayan, may mga bunga kaya hindi ko puputulin. Pero bala ko itong putulin. So, ito ang aking mga halaman. So, it is beautiful. See? And I arrange. So, like that. Like that. I transfer my Sansevieria or snake plant. And palangga ng labahan kay Father. So, ayan. Ayan. And look at that. So, I made a landscape. See? I made a landscape. Here are the cactus plant of mine. Look. It's beautiful.